I'd like to take a minute to tell you about an INE on-demand course, Azure Architecture, Infrastructure Management and Monitoring. This course has really 5 different major topics. The first is Azure AD, Authentication and Identity. In this, we'll take a look at Azure AD tenants, what they are, how to manage them, how to set up multi-factor authentication, and also how to deal with hybrid identity, an on-premises identity and an Azure Active Directory identity combined. Okay. We will also talk about monitoring, and there's a number of important monitoring topics that we'll cover. We'll look at monitoring Azure in general. We'll talk about alerts, how to define and manage alerts. We'll also look at monitoring spend. And finally, under this category, we'll look at really detailed resource monitoring as well. Okay. The next topic that we've got is storage accounts. And we're really just going to take a look at the concepts of storage accounts, what storage accounts are, and also how do we protect our storage accounts? How do we protect the data in the storage account and control access to that? Okay. We also are going to talk about virtual networks. Within virtual networks, we'll talk a little bit about what they are, but we'll really focus on connecting virtual networks. How do we connect our on-premises environment into our Azure virtual networking environment? And finally, we're going to take a look at virtual machines. And we're really going to take a look at the spectrum from provisioning virtual machines through actually managing virtual machines and setting things like your virtual machine disk configuration. So I hope you'll join me over at INE.com for this on-demand course.